your PC feels slow, and your data is being tracked without you even noticing. Windows 11 comes with many privacy settings turned on by default. Some collect your data in the background, some run silently, and others use system resources without you realizing it. This doesn't just affect your privacy, it can also affect your performance. But here's the good news, you can turn them off in just a few minutes. No complicated steps, no risky changes, just simple settings anyone can follow. In this video, I'll show you 7 important Windows 11 privacy settings you should disable right now to improve performance, reduce background activity, and protect your personal data. Let's start with one of the most common settings many people ignore. Setting 1, turn off general tracking settings. Windows 11 includes several general tracking features that are enabled by default. These settings are designed to personalize your experience, but behind the scenes, they collect data about how you use your PC. This includes things like the apps you open, the way you type, and even how you interact with different features. This data is then used to show personalized ads, improve search suggestions, and recommend content. While this may sound useful, it also means your system is constantly collecting and processing information. On low-end PCs, even small background processes can add up, and over time, this can slightly affect performance. Here is how to turn these off. Press Windows+I to open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click on General. You will see several options. Turn off. Let apps show me personalized ads, let websites access my language list, let Windows improve start and search results, show me suggested content in settings. Each of these settings reduces background tracking and stops unnecessary data collection. You may not notice a huge speed boost instantly, but it reduces background activity. And more importantly, it improves your privacy. Less tracking means fewer background processes, and fewer background processes mean a smoother system overall. This is a simple step, but it's a great place to start. Setting 2, turn off location tracking. Windows 11 can track your location using your device. This feature is mainly used for apps like Maps, weather, and location-based services. But here's the problem. Even if you don't actively use these apps, location services can still run in the background. This means your system is constantly checking and updating your location. On high-end PCs, you may not notice this. But on low-end systems with 4 GB or 8 GB RAM, every background process matters. Over time, these small processes can contribute to slower performance. And from a privacy perspective, not everyone is comfortable with their location being tracked. Here is how to turn it off. Press Windows+I, go to Privacy and Security, click on Location. At the top, turn off location services. If you still want to use location for specific apps, you can leave it on but disable access for individual apps below. This gives you more control. For most users, turning it off completely is the best option. This stops Windows from tracking your location in the background. It also reduces unnecessary system activity and helps protect your personal data. Small change, but it improves both privacy and efficiency. Setting 3, turn off diagnostic data. Windows collects diagnostic data to improve the system. This includes information about your device, system performance, and how you use features. There are 2 levels of diagnostic data: required data and optional data. Required data is necessary for Windows to function properly, but optional data collects extra information. This includes more detailed usage patterns, and this is where the issue comes in. Optional diagnostic data increases background activity and sends more information from your PC. This can slightly impact performance and also raises privacy concerns. Here is how to adjust it. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click Diagnostics and Feedback. Set diagnostic data to required only. Then turn off. Send optional diagnostic data, improve inking and typing, tailored experiences. Next, scroll down and click Delete Diagnostic Data. This removes any stored data on your device. These changes reduce how much data Windows collects and limit background processes. Again, the performance boost may not be massive, but it adds up when combined with other tweaks. And most importantly, you stay in control of your data. Setting 4, turn off activity history. Activity history is another feature that many users don't realize is active. It tracks what you do on your PC. This includes apps you open, files you access, and sometimes even browsing activity. This information is used to improve suggestions and help you continue tasks across devices. But if you don't use this feature, it becomes unnecessary tracking. And like other tracking features, it runs in the background. This means more system activity and more data being stored. Here is how to disable it. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click Activity History. Turn off storing activity history. Then click Clear History. This removes any data already collected. Disabling this stops Windows from tracking your activity. It also reduces background syncing and processing. For low-end PCs, this helps keep things lighter. And from a privacy standpoint, it gives you more control. Not every feature needs to be on. If you're not using it, it's better to disable it. Simple rule: less tracking equals better performance and privacy. Setting 5. Turn off background app permissions. One of the biggest hidden causes of slow performance is background apps. Many apps continue running even when you are not using them. They check for updates, sync data, send notifications, and perform other tasks silently. Each of these uses system resources: RAM, CPU, and sometimes disk usage. On low-end PCs, this can make a big difference. Your system becomes slower, less responsive, and multitasking becomes harder. Here is how to fix it. Open Settings, go to Apps, click Installed Apps. Find an app you don't need running in the background. Click the 3 dots, select Advanced Options. Scroll down to Background App Permissions, set it to Never. Repeat this for multiple apps. Focus on apps like launchers, chat apps, and tools you don't use often. This reduces background load significantly and frees up system resources. Important tip: do not disable essential system apps. Only target apps you recognize. This is one of the most effective ways to improve performance. Less background activity means a faster and smoother PC. Setting 6. Turn off voice typing and speech data. Windows includes voice typing and speech recognition features. These allow you to control your PC using voice commands. They also help with dictation and accessibility. But if you don't use these features, they become unnecessary. Voice services can collect speech data and sometimes run background processes. This includes sending data to Microsoft servers. While this helps improve accuracy, it also raises privacy concerns and uses system resources. Here is how to disable it. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click Speech. Turn off online speech recognition. This stops Windows from processing voice data online. It also reduces background activity. If you don't use voice typing, you won't miss this feature, and your system becomes slightly lighter. Again, this is not a huge performance boost alone, but combined with other tweaks, it helps, and it improves your privacy. Always disable features you don't use. That's the key to a faster system. Setting 7. Turn off app permissions. Many apps request access to sensitive features, like your camera, microphone, contacts, and more. Sometimes, these apps continue accessing them in the background, even when you are not actively using them. This can raise privacy concerns and also use system resources. Here is how to manage this. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to App Permissions. Check categories like camera, microphone, contacts, location. Click on each one. You will see a list of apps with access. Turn off access for apps you don't trust or apps you don't use. You can also disable access completely. This gives you full control. Important tip: only allow access when necessary. For example, camera access for video calls, microphone for voice apps. Everything else can stay off. This improves privacy and reduces unnecessary background usage. Small changes, but they add up. Let's quickly go over everything. Turn off general tracking, disable location, reduce diagnostic data, turn off activity history, limit background apps, disable speech data, and control app permissions. These settings reduce tracking, free up resources, and protect your data. Try a few of them today, and you'll notice a difference. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more simple PC fixes.